Hey there, Prof. Aram here, and in this short video we're going to see how can we calculate the required return of a stock. So let's get to it. Finding the required rate of return, in this case, the case of the constant growth of dividends, is actually very simple. What you need to do is to use the original formula that you have, the pricing formula. The price today is D0, dividend that just paid, times 1 plus the growth rate over R minus G, or D1, which is your dividend in the next period, over R minus G. All we're doing here to find the required rate of return is we are going to rearrange the formula to find R, to find this, right? So your rate of return, or required rate of return of the stock, is your dividend next period over price today plus the growth rate, or D0 times 1 plus G over P0 plus the growth rate. So the first component, which is the income component due to the dividends that you receive, is called dividend yield. And the second component, because we know that the stock price is growing at the same rate as dividends, we call this the capital gain component of the return. So when you invest in a stock, your return comes from two ways. One is from the income, which is the dividends that you receive. The other one is with the expectation of the stock price going up. So that's what we call capital gain component. Let's look at an example here. Suppose a firm's stock is selling for $10.50, that's your P0, and it just paid $1 in dividend, that's your D0, and dividends are expected to grow at a rate of 5%, so that's your growth rate. What is the required rate of return? So the required rate of return is dividend in the next period over P0 plus the growth rate. So you'll have dollar for D0, and then 5% for the growth rate, 1.05 over 1050 plus 5%. So it should be 15%. So your capital gain yield is 5%, and your dividend yield should be 10%. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching.